On a lighter note, Malad, this ventilation reminds me of the Honorable Karnataka High Court, where both sides it's breezy because there is open door behind the Honorable Judge. The Honorable Karnataka High Court, it's equally breezy because doors are open on behind and doors are open in the front also.
Yes. Which should be treated as the lead case.
So before proceeding with the lead case, if I can make a suggestion, but I had made when the matter was being heard previously, that there was an order passed on 19th May 26 when the matter was going on marriage. The state had made an offer that they will consider. If I can just show that order, after that this 142 came in. That application of 142, if considered not, with some tweaks and changes to the affidavit that was filed by the state, if I can take my lord's maximum 5 minutes, will put the entire controversy to rest on both sides.
Will both sides be satisfied with that?
Both sides will be satisfied. The reason. One second. Can I just?
We are the general minds of was the question put to you? Yes. Was the question put to you? No. As simple as that. We will wait for a time. Sir.
As per a previous order, my lord, all sides had to send me the suggestions. I had to compile all of them.
Have you given them a copy of it?
I have given them a copy of it. Yes, 99% of everyone's grievance is addressed. 1% is grievance which is being shown.
1 second. Then, after looking at the 99% where there is consensus, can we, notwithstanding our view in the 99%, proceed to hear the 1%?
The answer to that is this, Lord. If 99%, and that's my humble submission, if 99% is addressed, the 1% is incidental to that. It will automatically get resolved if the 99% is addressed, because 1% what I'm speaking is this.
Let us hear.
Yes.
All right. Leave it to the court. We will understand.
Very well.
No, we are not permitting you, sir. Please wait for your turn. That taking mic and addressing somehow both of us are not comfortable. We will permit each one of you.
May I only say that several of us on this side have not received the compilation that my learned friend was.
See, now the matter is called out.
Yes.
It will go on for quite some time. Your friend will send you the soft copy. You have lunch recess. Go through and prepare. Now suggestions are over. Let us hear him. Please, land counsel, remain seated.
Kindly have.
You have to tell us in which case.
They are before this court. They are guilty if you don't.
No, 1 second, please.
The petition should have
How to begin, where to begin is court's choice.
Yes.
Please don't tell us.
Please.
In which case are you appearing?
I am for the respondent, not in the main case.
Please, leave it to the court. Right to audience. Normally we go with the petitioner. We have a few privileges to allow a counsel to introduce us to the circumstances. Please do not tell us these basics.
No, I was not on that.
Yes.
Kindly have
Please.
the order, Lord.
Don't allow the court to get disturbed.
Kindly have the order of 19th May 26 in the order.
In which SLP?
In the main. It's a common order in the batch.
Item number 14?
14.
Yes.
It's a common order, Lord. In the order file, kindly have 19th May 26.
Now you are appearing for whom?
I am appearing for some of the respondents, my lord, but by a previous order, all suggestions had to come to me. So I am putting those suggestions in a fair manner, not taking either of the sides.
Who appears for the state?
Bharti is appearing for this.
Which is the order you want us to read?
19th May 26.
Another, I beg to appear for the state.
The cause title is a long, so
1 second, please.
Right.
19th May. So 19th May can tell you. Court master. 19th May can print out the calendar.
till the time order is being printed, if I may, my lord, the position of parties is slightly important in this matter. Petitioners are the ones who have already been appointed as teachers, my lord. And respondents are the ones who would be appointed if the Honorable High Court's order, thereby meaning the impugned order, is implemented. There was an interim order passed by this Honorable Court in 2024, because of which petitioners have not been removed and respondents have not been appointed.
Can you tell us the year of selection?
Indeed. 2018,
2020 member.
started in 2018, my lord. There were two rounds, first before the single judge, then before the Honorable Division Bench, my lord. And finally, so there were multiple rounds of appointments. There was not a single appointment. So some were done in 2021, then in 23, and then in 2022. These three rounds of appointments happened based on various orders of this single judge.
But in pursuance of the same advertisement.
Same advertisement was counted. Thereafter, my lord, the only controversy that boiled down before the Honorable Division Bench and the Learned Single Judge was that the person, my lord, in the selection examination or in the qualification examination, if I put, who is from a reserve category, takes the benefit as a reserve category. While making the final merit list, would this reserve category continue or not continue? That is the short form. In that context, my lord, kindly have this 19th May order. The last two pages are important. The others are just appearances. Page 21 and 22. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Ms. So-and-so, Learned Additional Solicitor General appearing for State of UP submits that acceding to the request contained in our order dated 4th February 2026, the State of Uttar Pradesh, in the peculiar circumstances of this case, is ready and willing to consider the appointment of candidates who are likely to be included upon becoming eligible to figure in the redrawn select list in terms of the judgment and order of the High Court dated so and so. This is the impugned order. Subject to there being existing vacancies, subject to candidates fulfilling the minimum qualifications, and subject to such exercise not being treated as a precedent in future cases. I'll pause there for a second. The impugned order directs redrawing a merit list for the entire vacancy as per the advertisement. This offer or this submission is made by the state saying that we will consider, by not removing them, we will consider the persons who would be included if the merit list is redrawn. And therefore, a status report had to be filed within a specific time, and the status report is filed. Then I would request my lords to kindly take up this IA under 142 because it has both. It has the status report which has been filed and also the written submissions of the state.
Give us the number.
224960. It's in the main matter.
Please take it.
In the lead matter, the report master, it says application under 142, IA 224960. 60. Application under Article 142. Dated 3rd August 26. My apologies for the inconvenience, my lord. We should have done this prior. Court master.
last time I had asked from. लास्ट में आपने ऊपर रखा था नहीं मैं पढ़ लिया इसमें कुछ नहीं
My apologies, my lord. Can I request one thing? We'll sort this out during the lunch break, my lord. Can it be taken up at 2? I don't want to waste more time, my lord. They're just searching. Or
A lot of us on this side apparently have not even got what they are submitting.
whatever comes from that side we are prepared to dictate the order.
We are ready.
Passover agreed. Majority of you say it should be adjourned. We will say majority of the lawyers appearing for the petitioner's request for adjournment, adjourn.
Only one respectful submission, if your lordships permit us.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. But what we are only saying that my lord, parties are not ad item on my lords the state suggestion. Now, my lords, even if one party, my lord, thinks my lord that their case should be heard by your lordships,
That will be
but
kept
then my
aside.
lord, on 142, my lords, to treat everybody on the same blush in our respectful submission may not be on. Because what has happened here, my lord, if I can just place, my lord,
it's just a Kamath was not appearing previously.
no, may I just place my lord, what our grievance is, then your lordships may decide.
His
So just-
request now is for Passover.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Are you required in any other court at 2 o'clock? Straight question.
Next.
Straight.
I'll answer that. Could it be next week? Some of us are.
No, let him answer.
I'll let him answer. Yes.
Court.
So, keeping your convenience in perspective,
No, client's convenience and lordship's convenience are more important. Not somebody else will be
you
there.
can easily understand.
No, lordship's convenience is more
See,
important.
majority says that it should be put off to a particular date. We don't mind doing it.
Not leave it.
Excuse me.
My lord, with my lord's permission, may I say something? Mr.
Yes,
Kamath doesn't mind. My lord, I was only making a submission that there are different categories
Yes,
of candidates, my lord. So some of us are petitioners, some of us respondents. We are on both sides. My lord, it can't be said that all of us are were agreed by the High Court order. Some of us are not agreed. And the impugn order also, my lord, is not common. But for example, the petition that I am where I appear is 14.52. But I did not want to interrupt in the middle, so I did not say anything. But we belong to the EWS category. We come on a completely different footing. My lord, if the nodal council, if it's convenient to him, and I'm lord subject to my lord's direction also, if we can give my lord the categories, And accordingly, amongst us, we can decide who will address in that category. But that may be convenient and also take a little burden off the court, is my submission, subject to what my Lord feels and what the others have to
So
say.
that is a fair suggestion, Milord, because there are different categories. For instance, Milord, I represent about 600 Milord, general category Milord's candidates who have not been selected. And our grievance is, Milord, if this migration, because ultimately the short question before your lordships is, a candidate who's from the reserved category, he avails relaxation. And then whether he can be adjusted against the general category, Milord, that's the moot question. Now, Milords, the High Court holds against us, saying that no, it's only a screening, so they are permitted. But that, according to us, Milord, against the law, against the statute, and against the circulars, etc. If, Milord, we succeed on merits, and Milord, the reserved category candidates are not entitled to come in the general category, Milord, then in that place, Milord, we are, Milord, in our respectful submission, Milord, we will be pushed up, and Milords will be entitled to avail. That's our submission.
We are not on there.
Yes, Milord.
Should it be taken up at 2 o'clock or should it be
I
taken
will
up?
go to your lordships.
We asked one thing, something else comes from that side.
Yes.
For next week,
He's- At least now he is correct. At least now he is correct.
Next week either on Wednesday or Tuesday. Everybody.
But in the
Now
meanwhile,
he said, he is correct.
these categories.
So I'll suggest two, because my lords have almost heard me for some time. I'll just place the IE and then it can at least be,
Why waste my
and
Let it come.
so therefore let it come at 2, my lord, we'll make our submissions. The idea was to save time, not to add more time.
Lord, may I join hands with my learned friend? I'm a part of the 1%, but if my Lord could hear my learned friend on the settlement, and that 1% can be accommodated, is my submission rather than going into merits on Wednesday. Look, Passover, it's Wednesday. Your Lordship has said that, but I'm adding my suggestion that Wednesday need not be a final hearing on the merits. My learned friend can make his suggestions if there's some accommodation of
Categories are not-
We take an idea, but
Categories.
batch of lawyer. And counsel, please appreciate the court also.
Yes, Milord.
A few batches have been assigned to us.
Yes,
Most of them are both fact intense,
correct.
law intricate.
Yes,
So we have to first segregate,
correct.
finalize, fine tune, and decide.
Correct.
But all it gets adjourned today. All of you will have a date only after 3 weeks or 4 weeks. In the meantime, don't expect us to do anything.
But in the meanwhile, maybe suggest so that the court is not
Because
not
the IE
inconvenient.
for my lord.
But as my learned friend suggested, there are different categories of Milord parties candidates before your lordships, Milord. So Milord, the Nodal Council will sit with him, and Milord, or Milord, the state, the state, Milord.
Mr. Carver
And
person.
yes, Milord, we have no difficulty. Your lordships may appoint anybody, Milord. We have no difficulty.
Sorry,
Milord, there are different categories of candidates. One are the reserved category candidates. Then Milord, there are unreserved, appointed, unreserved.
Tell us
Yes.
concluding sentence.
Concluding sentences, lordships may categorize these cases, Milord. Your lordships may appoint any one of us, Milord, to do the categorization and place it before your lordship. We are okay.
Miss Aishwarya Bharti,
Yes, Milord, the state can also do it. Sorry.
Please,
I'm sorry.
my lords.
You're always anxious. Milord.
Miss Aishwarya Bharti,
Yes, my lords.
this categorization, there cannot be a better person or better option than the state.
My lords, if your lordship so direct, my lords, Mr. Goel is there, my lords. He's the advocate on record for the state. He's in person before. I
No.
appear with him, my lords.
Can we take it that you are not appearing in this matter today?
I appear with him, my lords.
All right, mark her appearance also. Ms. Goel, Aishwarya Bharti has delegated it to you. The suggestion coming from this side, instead of making it a hodgepodge, which will lead to ununderstandable complications. after we spend 2-3 days,
Yes.
then again we have to go back to square one. You please categorize writ petitions, give the heading. For example, reserved to general.
Right.
Then EBC to so and so.
Right.
Then general independent aspirants. Like that, 3 or 4 categories
Yes.
in our reading it comes.
Right.
Make it. Then please give us the numbers. Under those heads, we will be listing these SLPs.
Yes.
We request all the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner contesting respondents to inform the state council as to the category and the nature of conflict involved in those cases.
Yes.
In my humble submission, Lord, that has already been done. I'm not sure why it's
Not the category.
1 second, please. Lord,
If it is done,
yes, it
it
is
will
already
be very
placed on
fine.
record.
No, 1 second. It should come under each one of the heads.
It is, Lord. In my IA,
In the cause list, it is not there.
in the IA, Lord, can I,
Council, in the cause list, it is not
in the
there.
cause list, it's not there.
Yesterday,
What
it
I'll
took
do is-
only 1.5 hours for us by taking out at least 7 SLPs.
I understand. Lord, with one,
May I then suggest
one-
this
one-
category
just-
before can be placed with
one second.
Goel and he
Lord,
can
what happened?
modify it.
just 1 second. Lord, what happened? Can I just take a minute, Lord?
No, why are you insisting for hearing today?
No, I'm not insisting for
One
it.
second.
I'm saying
Court wants to make the whole affair
very well.
slightly comfortable and convenient to all the participants.
Very well. I'm just adding more comfort to that, Lord.
No, I haven't so far found anything on those lines. Sorry to say this.
Can I just take 30 seconds? I think I'll
No.
have to come.
Now, 2 o'clock we will call the matter,
Very well.
but we will be giving a date thereafter. It
Very
will be only after 3 weeks.
Very
Mr. Goel, categorization is your responsibility.
Yes.
Ashish, with respect.
2 o'clock only to pick up that IA so that we can keep it aside and get it.
Very well.
Ashish, with respect
And I-
on the category
Okay.
issue, I have a problem. Just one small request, Ashish. Ashish, there are certain people who belong to a category who are neither part before the High Court nor they are petitioners or respondents here. But their appointments are also stuck even after being finalized by this honorable court. The state's appeal was filed and that was dismissed way back in November 2022. Contempts are pending before the High Court. So the High Court, in view of the
Please give those cases also.
Very-
They will be
One very simple observation. Total vacancy is 69,000, correct? 4,900 or something are the vacant. I request your lordship the 4,900 is the reserve for the STSC, OBC, something. These post vacant postage already is not, maybe a students, finalized students not joined. It is the major issues. Since last 3 years.
Therefore,
Lordship, my request to this, the vacant postage, which is the vacant 59 something. These vacant postage filled by low.
let us see. To what extent we should be going in the matter is our discretion
Some
finally.
petitions, including mine, where notice has not yet been issued. So if your lordship could just issue notice so that we are served with everything.
No.
Because we are not being served with a lot of the things that are.
1 second. We will permit you to serve notice on the learned counsel appearing for the state.
I'm obliged. Because then
Please
we'll
give
be
the
served
number.
and we'll be kept in, we'll be served all the documents that are being circulated only after notice.
Correct.
Lord, I'm one of the parties before the High Court, not a party here. I find impeding. May I give that issue to the state because I'm in
Now,
that.
this case will be called at 2 o'clock. We are taking up passed overs.
Please, there's only one thing.
There are now that case is passed over. We will hear you at 2 o'clock, not now.
Obliged. May I just give the diary number to the court master?
Please give the diary number.
I'm obliged.
In that matter, counsel is permitted to serve notice, issue notice, and for compliance with the service of notice, permitted to serve notice on the